How much exercise do you need? You're trying to improve your health. You know that you need to exercise regularly, but what does that even mean? If you've ever read an article about how to prevent a certain medical condition, such as high blood pressure, you probably know that regular exercise is essential. Moving your body more frequently can help you lower your risk of developing many different medical conditions. But the word, regular, is pretty vague and open to interpretation. So, we're going to answer a few common questions about how much exercise is needed for good health. How much exercise do you need? Experts recommend that most adults get at least 150 minutes of moderate physical activity per week. That breaks down to slightly more than 20 minutes per day. Totally doable, right? Moderate physical activity includes any movement that gets your heart beating faster. Some examples include brisk walking, riding a bike, dancing, or hiking. You can also bump up the intensity of your workouts and exercise for less time. Experts recommend getting 75 minutes of vigorous physical activity each week as an alternative to the 150 minutes of moderate activity. Vigorous activity would include exercises such as running, playing singles tennis, hiking uphill, or jumping rope. For optimal health, or to lose weight, include both heart-pumping activities and strength training exercises. Use the guidelines above as a minimum, and aim to get more exercise each week when possible. How many steps a day do you need to stay healthy? You may have heard that you need to get 10,000 steps per day, but it turns out that's really an arbitrary number. If you're getting 10,000 steps per day, that's great. But if you're not, take note. Research published in late 2021 found that 7,000 steps is a good goal. Participants in a study who got at least 7,000 steps per day were up to 70% less likely to die of any cause in the next decade than those who got fewer steps. If you're not getting that many steps, make it a goal to hit 500 steps per day for a week. Keep building once you hit that goal, increasing gradually over time. How often should you exercise a week? Health experts recommend a total number of minutes of exercise to fit into your week, but how you get those minutes is up to you. While it's best to incorporate movement into your daily routines, you may not be able to get in an actual workout on a daily basis, or even 3 or 4 times a week. You may find that you prefer longer workouts and fewer of them, or you may discover you like your exercise in bite-sized segments multiple times a day. It may take some experimenting to discover what works best for you. But in the long run, it's getting in the exercise that counts. Whether you do it with long workouts 3 times a week or short workouts more often is a personal preference. Can't get in a workout at all for a few days? Sprinkle in more movement in your daily activities by taking a walk around the office, using the stairs instead of the elevator, and even standing up while on a phone call. Your body will thank you. What can you do instead of exercise? Gardening, yoga, and walking are simple activities that many people enjoy. They are also good alternatives to traditional exercise. Do not overlook them just because they are easy or because you enjoy them. If you do any of these gentle exercises regularly, you will improve your overall health. Playing with kids gets you moving in a unique way that doesn't feel like exercise. Jumping rope, hula hooping, and playing hopscotch or tag are all great ways to exercise without going to the gym. All of them force you to move quickly, and often you have to be agile. It's never too late to start. You can start slowly and find ways to fit more physical activity into your life. To get the most benefit, you should try to get the recommended amount of exercise for your age. If you can do it, the payoff is that you will feel better, help prevent or control many diseases, and likely even live longer. Being physically active can improve your brain health, help manage weight, reduce the risk of disease, strengthen bones and muscles, and improve your ability to do everyday activities. Adults who sit less and do any amount of moderate to vigorous physical activity gain some health benefits. Just make exercise a fun part of your everyday life. You don't have to spend hours in a gym or force yourself into long, monotonous workouts to experience the many benefits of exercise. These tips can help you find activities you enjoy and start to feel better, look better, and get more out of life. Thank you for watching us on Daily Health, and don't forget to subscribe.